This is Yokos Woman Food and Home. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel, Yokos Woman Food and Home, where I am bringing you healthier versions of the foods that we love without compromising the deliciousness factor. Here you will find recipes such as the flavor-packed chicken and broccoli stir fry with tender pieces of chicken, crunchy nuggets of broccoli, and a savory sauce that comes together quickly and easy, and it will be perfect for your dinner table and also for meal prepping. And if you are new to cooking, check out this recipe because it is beginner friendly as well. And you want pancakes anytime, then I have got the recipe for you. I have got a low carb, high protein alternative to traditional pancakes because in my recipes, we are using almond flour and or protein flour. And you guys, the end result is absolutely phenomenal. And once again, you can have these pancakes for breakfast, you can have them for dinner, and you can also use them for meal prep as well. And how about dessert for dinner? Well, my latest creation is a Snicker bar inspired high protein smoothie. Yes, you guys, high protein smoothie that tastes like a Snicker bar, just like you're having dessert for dinner. Remember when we were kids and we just absolutely loved to have dessert for dinner? Well, some things never change no matter what age you are. So I put this deliciousness together, absolutely phenomenal. And you get the flavor without compromising any of the nutritional needs, such as the high protein, keeping it low carb, and keeping it sugar free. So that is just a taste of what you will find on my channel. And if you're wondering what is under wraps in this bag that I brought here, this is the other part of my channel, okay? I already talked about the food. I also want to bring you some home decor ideas so that you can make your space personal and uniquely yours on a budget. And I've already got some of the things that I'm going to share with you out here, but I did a little mini haul for fall, and I want to share some of the additional things that I purchased and how I am going to use them. So stay tuned for that as well. So you guys, this is Yokos Woman Food and Home. Now, just in case you're just joining me for the first time, this channel is a spin-off from my Yokos Woman channel. And this is where I used to post everything such as the workout videos, my food videos, and some home decor videos. I decided it would be best from a YouTube perspective to split that channel. So the Yokos Woman is strictly my workout videos, and where you are right now is the food and the home. And I'm so glad that you're here. And if you are already part of my channel, and if you feel that there will be others that would benefit and enjoy the things that I am bringing here, then please do share my channel and also ask them to subscribe as well. And together we can make this chapter of our lives the best chapter of our lives through healthy workouts, healthy food, healthy home, and making it our own kind of special. So you guys, thank you so much for dropping by. And please do look forward to my fall home decor preview that will be up and coming really, really soon, along with lots more healthier versions of the foods that we love. So tune into my playlist. Right now, I've got a combination of the recipes on this channel as well as Yokos Woman. I'm still in the transition mode, but you will still find a lot of recipes on Yokos Woman. But going forward, maybe about a week or so ago, I'm only posting workout videos on Yokos Woman, and I am focused on doing all of my food videos on this channel. So I hope to see you guys right here real soon. And remember, as I always say before I sign off, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special, and I'll see you real soon.